Welcome back to Accounting with Ellis. Today, we're tackling one of the most fundamental skills in accounting: how to record a simple transaction in a journal. If you're new to accounting, don't worry. I'll break this down step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to handle basic journal entries. Plus, I'll share some common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Ready? Let's jump on in. So what is a journal entry? A journal entry is how we record financial transactions in accounting. Think of it as your financial diary. It keeps track of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Every journal entry must follow the double entry system. For every debit, there's an equal credit. This keeps the accounting equation, assets equal liabilities plus equity, balanced. The typical journal entry format looks like this. First, date of the transaction. Second, accounts being affected, like cash, supplies, or revenue. And third, the amount you're debiting and crediting. Let's walk through a simple example so you can see how this works. Here's the scenario. Sarah, who owns a bakery, buys $500 worth of supplies and pays in cash. Let's record this transaction step by step. First, identify the accounts involved. Supplies, an asset, are increasing. Cash, also an asset, is decreasing. Next, determine which account gets debited and which account gets credited. Assets increase with a debit, so that means supplies gets debited for $500, and assets also decrease with a credit, which means cash gets credited for $500. The entry is balanced because the total debits equal the total credits. Now let's talk about common mistakes people make when recording journal entries and how to avoid them. So first, we have mixing up debits and credits. Remember, debits go on the left, credits on the right. Use the dealer acronym if you need help remembering. Next, forgetting to balance the entry. Always check that your debits equal your credits. If they don't, then you've missed something. Lastly, using the wrong accounts. Make sure you're choosing the correct accounts for the transaction. In this example, we use supplies and cash, which are both assets. Avoid these mistakes and journal entries will become second nature. Now it's time for a quick exercise to test your skills. Here's the scenario. Sarah pays $200 in cash for her bakery's monthly rent. Think about it. What accounts are involved? Which account gets a debit and which account gets a credit? Take a moment to figure it out. Pause the video if you need to, and I'll share the solution next. Alright, time's up. Here's the solution. Rent expense, an expense account, increases, so it's debited $200. Cash, an asset, decreases, so it's credited $200. Great job if you got that right. If not, no worries. Practice makes perfect, and you're already making progress. Now you know how to record a simple journal entry. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. Drop any questions in the comments below, and let me know if you'd like more practice examples. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.